Hello everyone. So today we're going to be covering histograms, and this is part of how we've been studying about dot plots, and now we're doing histograms. Okay, so this is some data that's been made up. I'll just go ahead and label that here. This is just data. Because in order to graph any of this, you need to have data, right? So this is siblings. Quick little explanation. Here we have the number of siblings, and we're going to call that x. It's on the x-axis, or it will be. And the number of siblings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 siblings. If anyone cares, I actually have 4 siblings, so I'm over here. And why? How many people have this? So in this data, and I just made it up, 4 people have 1 sibling. 7 people have 2 siblings. 6 people have 3 siblings. 3 people have 4 siblings. 3 people have 5 siblings. And 2 people have 6 siblings. So those are the number of siblings that each of these people have. So now all we got to do is get our x and our y and graph them, put them on a histogram. Pretty easy. Let's go ahead and just do our axes. And this is our x, right? And we said x is the number of siblings, correct? Number of siblings. All right. And on our y-axis, we had a number of people, or a count. Number of people that have this. Okay? So the number of siblings that we had went 1 through 6. Easy enough. Let's go ahead and just add this 1 through 6. Try to make it as even as possible too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now we need to label the y-axis. So in this case, it's kind of easy because our lowest is 2 and our highest is 7. But in other cases, you may be working with bigger numbers, so then you're going to have to draw a scale, like go by 10s or go by 20s or whatever the example calls for. For this one, we're just going to go 1 through 7. 1, 2, okay, 1 through 7. Now we just start graphing. And I'll switch to red for that one. Four people had 1 sibling. 4 people, 1 sibling. So what you're going to do is you're going to go at 1 sibling here. You're going to go like the halfway point. And 4 people. Ooh, really shaky. Okay, 4 people had 1 sibling. 7 people had 2 siblings. So these should be touching. 7 people had, 7 people had 2 siblings, yes. You can follow this pattern. 6 people had 3 siblings. So you go up to 6. Where are we? We're 4. 3 people had 4 siblings. 3. And then 3 people had 5 siblings. And 2 people had 6 siblings. Okay? I like to fill them in because it looks cooler. And there we go. We have the number of siblings on the bottom, and it's also our x-axis. And the number of people that have this many siblings on the y-axis here. And there's our data there. Thank you very much.